Welcome to our comparison video of travel camera GoPro versus DSLR. When it comes to documenting your travel experiences, having the right camera is essential. In this video, we'll compare two popular choices, the GoPro and the DSLR. Join us as we delve into the features, strengths, and weaknesses of each, helping you decide which camera best suits your travel needs. Now, let's dive into depth to this video. Portability. Let's begin with portability, a crucial factor for travelers. The GoPro takes the lead in this department with its compact size and lightweight design. These action cameras easily slip into your pocket or backpack, allowing you to capture stunning moments on the go without feeling weighed down. On the other hand, DSLRs tend to be bulkier and require additional lenses, making them more cumbersome to carry around. However, their larger sensor size often translates to superior image quality, which brings us to our next point.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Stunning portraits and detailed shots with remarkable clarity. On the contrary, GoPro cameras have smaller sensors, which can sometimes result in slightly lower image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions. However, GoPros excel in capturing wide-angle shots and action-packed moments, thanks to their unique ultra-wide lenses and advanced stabilization technology. Versatility. Versatility plays a vital role in travel photography, as you never know what kind of shots you'll encounter on your journey. DSLR cameras offer a wide range of lenses, from wide-angle to telephoto, allowing you to adapt to different situations and capture various subjects with precision. Additionally, DSLRs provide manual controls, giving you complete creative freedom over your shots. On the other hand, GoPro cameras are designed to be all-in-one devices. They come with built-in wide-angle lenses, which are perfect for capturing expansive landscapes, adventurous activities, and immersive footage. Their compact size also makes them ideal for vlogging and capturing unique perspectives. Ease of use. When it comes to ease of use, GoPro cameras take the lead. They are incredibly user-friendly with intuitive interfaces and straightforward settings. GoPros are designed to be accessible to everyone, even those with no prior photography experience. They offer features like one-touch recording, voice control, and automatic settings, making them a convenient choice for travelers who want to capture their experiences effortlessly. DSLRs, on the other hand, have a steeper learning curve. They require a basic understanding of photography principles and manual settings to get the most out of their capabilities. However, with a little practice and experimentation, DSLRs can unlock a world of creative possibilities. Battery life. Another important aspect to consider is battery life. DSLRs typically have longer battery life compared to GoPros, which is crucial when you're traveling in remote locations or places where charging options may be limited. It's always a good idea to carry extra batteries or a portable charger for both types of cameras, but be aware that GoPros generally have shorter battery life due to their smaller size. This means you may need to plan accordingly and ensure you have enough power to capture your adventures. Cost. Let's talk about the cost of these cameras. DSLRs tend to be more expensive, especially when you factor in the additional costs of lenses and accessories. However, they provide excellent long-term value and the potential for professional-level results. If you're passionate about photography and willing to invest in quality equipment, a DSLR might be the right choice for you. On the other hand, GoPro cameras are relatively more affordable, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious travelers who still want to capture high-quality photos and videos without breaking the bank. Ultimately, the choice between a GoPro and a DSLR depends on your specific needs, preferences, and the type of travel experiences you seek. It's important to assess your requirements, budget, and personal style to make an informed decision. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the exciting debate between GoPro and DSLR cameras for travel photography. We hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you make the right choice. Safe travels and happy shooting!